Hello everybody, today my package came. My mom bought me. So I'll be making these today. Okay. Show this together. So they also bring you like 5 plastic clear bags, so you just squish them inside, so it's squishy. And the instructions are get Vaseline and Q-tips, and they also give you some kitty fur, like fake one, so you can put it on top of squishy. And there are 2 molds for you, a cat paw and a fishy, like that. And some sticks and color. So let's do it. Whoa, 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 whoa. So over here we have like a yellowish over here, and like there's like I think there's a Vaseline or clear color or something, and a pink color over here. And this is glue A and glue B, so you have to put glue A first, the same amount of B. You're gonna put it in here, and these are the pourers, so you have to put it in the here. So if you're done putting glue A and glue B, right, you have to get 2 of these. Wait, they're stuck together. There's 4. I give you 4. Sorry. So if you're done, you can put glue. If you're like done putting both of them in, you have to put both of them in, and then when you're done, you put them in here, put them in these 2, and then you choose a color whenever you want and choose a mold. So I'm just gonna do the fish and the cat paw, both of them, and you get 2 Q-tips if you want, and put Vaseline all around the mold, like inside like this, put it everywhere inside, and then like you can like pour it in. You just pour all of them, or you can just like do like this. Sigma, sigma boy, sigma boy, sigma boy. Okay, I'm gonna do the fish first. Okay, let's open this. Sigma, sigma boy, sigma boy, sigma boy. Sigma, sigma. I'm just gonna color it. Yeah. Sigma, sigma boy, sigma boy, sigma boy. Warning, just warning. Stop. Ow! I just hit myself here. Oh my god, that's so painful. Okay. Yes, I'm finally touching what I feel. Okay, shaky, 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 shaky. It's silicone glue. Okay, we got them both. So now let's get this. Put bay. Okay, first of all, we put glue A. Let's go. 3, 2. I'm gonna put like 20 to 40. Okay, done. Ow. Ouch. I got myself glued. 3, 2, 1, glue B first, and then glue B. Wait. Okay, there. We're done. I'm just gonna mix these up. Mix these up together. You have to mix them to make them equal. I'm just gonna get a tissue. Rippy. If you want gloves, you can get gloves. If you want, just gloves. Just gloves. I don't care what gloves or no gloves. I don't care. I'm just excited. Okay. And then now you pour these into 2 containers. And just get the stick now. Doing sigma, sigma boy, sigma boy, sigma boy. Just the guy, sigma boy, sigma boy, sigma boy, sigma boy. Just the guy. Ow! No! I got it over the table. Oh no. Yep. Okay. Wait. Okay, now I'm just gonna do a color. Let me just see if this is Vaseline or not. Is it Vaseline? No. Okay. Thank God. Thank God. Oh my God. Thank God. Thank God. Okay, I'm just gonna do this color with some pink. Whoa. It's so cool. Okay, pink. Okay, let me get the stick. Ah! Okay. Pink. Pinky. Put it in here. Oh no. Oh. No. Oh no. Oh my god. That was so close. Put that in here. And then we have to mix it to get the color showing. 3, 2, 1. Mixy, mixy. Mixy, mixy. Ooh, it's showing color now. Ah, sigma, sigma boy, sigma boy, sigma boy. I'm just gonna like put a little bit of pink in here. Ah, a little bit of pink. Okay. Okay, shift. Shift means wipe. Shit means wipe in Thailand. I bought this for only like 99 or 98 baht in TikTok shop or Shopee. My mom bought it, of course. Thank you, mommy. Thank you, baby. Okay, now we just get this color. And then I'm gonna close the cap. And stir. Stirry, stirry, stir, stirry, stir, stirry, stir, stirry, stirry, stir, stirry, 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 stir. Shake my boy, shake my boy, shake my boy. You have to wait for 1 day so you can peel off the mold. When you peel off the mold, you have to do it slowly and steady, like tuk, 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 like you're walking. Okay, now you get your mold. Put these to the side, like this. Okay, now you get your mold and get your Q-tip. Put it in the Vaseline. Get a lot, I guess. Not a lot, like this much, and put it around the mold. Put it everywhere. Put it everywhere inside, and on the sides too. Get a lot. Now, spread it. Spread it. Saw like big ones too. I wanted to make a big one too. I also made my own, but it failed with TOA glue. Taba glue. I see people eating Vaseline now. I don't know why. I'm like, ew. It's for your lips, ban. Why does the screen keep getting black? The heck? Okay, now time to pour the molds in. So I'm just going to pour some pink first. Oh no. Pink. Be well, please. Pour it in. Okay, that's it. Okay. I'm just excited for no reason. Okay. So they're making Taba squishy, silly. Okay, pour it all to the top. Pour this all to the top. Please go to the top. What the heck? Bruh. Bruh, 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 bruh. Bruh, 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 bruh. And now you just leave it to dry, that's it. And now I'm just gonna do the cat paw now. Okay, this is done. I guess I'm just gonna leave it here for 1 day. And then my boy is going to be a pinkish or this. I guess so, pink. Put it in the cat paw first. Put it in the paw. Circle, circle. Put it all around. All around, all around. This Sigma boy is going great. Okay, put it around. I've seen like big ones, like Oreo ones too. But the cat paw is the original. Nobody is better than the original. Is better than the original. I was expecting like a big box, but it actually came like a small box. Like I ordered a small set. Doesn't matter. Oh, my weird ass laugh. Okay, go. Sigma, Sigma boy, Sigma boy, Sigma boy. Into the party go. Sigma, Sigma boy, Sigma boy, Sigma boy. Hello? Okay, thank you. Okay, I'm done. Okay, thank you. Okay, please don't sleep out. Okay, thank you. Okay, I'm just gonna put glue A and glue B in here. Because it's all empty. Glue A and glue B. That's it. Glue A. Okay, that's it. And glue B. Okay, that's it. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. I think they're like the same glue but opposite. I'm gonna try mixing 2 colors together. Bruh, get in. What? It's okay. I'm just gonna mix it. Sigma, Sigma boys, Sigma boys, Sigma boys. Sigma boys, Sigma boys, Sigma boys. I'm singing Sigma boy every second. I think this is like Sigma boys. And just like use anything. My cat paw is ruined. It's fine, I don't care. I'm just gonna pour it all over. Thank you. I'm done here. Oops. Clear up the mess. Clear up. It's my fault. I made this mess. Okay, time for this one. Oh, I guess mixing two colors will work. A little bit of pink. That's it. A little bit. This much. And mix it. Let's see what color it will make. Ooh, a lightish pink. A lightish pink. There. A really light pink. It's like a rose. Rose from Pink Diamond. My diamond! Fiend. Oh no, I'm not supposed to say that. Okay, pour the whole thing in. What? What just happened? I'm just gonna make a multicolored, I think. I'm thinking of making multicolor. Oh no. This is the worst day. Well, not the worst, the funnest day ever. I'm just gonna try to put the light pink under here and mix with the pink under here. Mix above. You got that, dog? I'm done. Okay, I'm so proud of myself for making this. So stay tuned for the next day and I'll show you what is on the next day. Goodbye everyone. I just finished my Taba squishy, so I've already put them in bags. So this is how they turn out. They're so like sticky, so I'll like take them out and I put in like cat fur and stuff. They're so sticky, I don't want to touch them. But I already put them in cat fur, but it's okay, but I don't want to touch the cat fur. If I recommend to bring them out, if you want to play with it, you have to wear gloves. And this is another one that I made over here. It's a color. It's the back. And over here, I'm just starting to make one more over here. And I'm like a bit running on glue, so I'll like see you next time.